Okay, so we're back and we're going to go ahead and assemble the fireplace now. So I'll take this piece. This is going to go in the back here. This is the tricky part. It's always the tricky part is putting these together. Take some white royal icing right here at the top. And we might not, if this is still tacky down here, we may not need royal icing at the base. So first I'm going to go ahead and place this one on. Kind of hold on to it, don't let go. And then connect them at the top first, and then open that up. Okay, I want to turn it around and see how I like the positioning. Oh, okay, I like that. Looks good. Okay. Now we don't have to worry about that royal icing showing because we're actually going to put the mantle on. Now this is why I did the two different pieces. It's always good to have a couple different sizes because you never really know how your cookies are going to actually bake up. I mean, they're close, but they're always, you know, off just a little bit. So do we want to go with this one, the smaller one, or the bigger one? And since we're not actually going to put anything on top here, I think I'm going to go with this smaller one. Yeah, if we were going to maybe do cookie things on top, maybe cookie candles or something, I mean, you could just do what you could do pretty much anything. You could do it, put a little tray of cookies actually up there for Santa if you wanted to. But I like this size right here. So we're going to just push this aside. And on this, I want to make this a wood top also. So we start with our white. We just want to roll this out. Take our pizza cutter and first just cut a larger strip than you think you're going to need. Okay, so then I can just start trying to trim it down a little bit. You could even do it this way, put this on top, kind of measure it that way. So it's a little too thick in here, and cut it off right about there. Okay, so flip this over, a little bit of water in the back. Looks like I've got food coloring in my water. That's okay. Okay, so just use your thumb and kind of soften the edges there. Don't push too hard. Remember, it's a cookie. You don't want to break it. And then I'll just take another spatula or whatever I have and make the wood markings again, like wood grain. Not going to do any nail holes or anything this time though. Okay, and then take your brown food color again and just brush over the top. Make sure you get those sides. Okay, now I can just go ahead and put some more royal icing on top of my fireplace. And then place this right on top. Okay, and where the brown is on the cookie right here, I can just kind of wipe that off a little bit. I mean, you could even paint the entire cookie if you wanted to. But sometimes it's nice to see that there's actually a cookie there. Okay, so that's where we're at so far.